Once upon a time, there was a little apple named Alex. Alex grew on a happy apple tree in a sunny orchard. One day a group of children came to the orchard. They laughed and played among the trees, searching for the perfect apples to pick and take home. Alex was excited but also nervous. He hoped the children would choose him, but he felt small compared to the other apples on the tree. To his delight, one of the children noticed him and said,
"Look at this cute little apple,"
from the branch and took him home. At the child's house, Alex felt special and loved. The child took a big bite and exclaimed,
"Hey, this small apple is the sweetest."
It brought so much joy to the child and made their day a little brighter. From that day on, Alex embraced his size and knew that being small didn't matter. What mattered was the happiness he brought to others.
Moral lesson.
No matter how small you are, you can still make a big difference and bring happiness to others. Embrace your uniqueness, and you'll shine in your way.